welcome back. So today's video I wanted to do like an extra glam fabulous look because I feel like I haven't done that in my channel lately. Christmas is coming, New Year's is coming, and you might be looking for a tutorial, see how to create a super glam extreme, whatever you want to call it, look. So here's the look, and I'm actually going to do a cool toned glam look because I feel like everyone usually goes for the warm tone, like kind of, you know, look. Okay, so first off, I'm not wearing a rug. This is like a little sweater that I've had forever, and I just threw it on because it's kind of cold in here, and I don't know, I just felt like glam, I don't know. Also, I wanted to mention that this headband is from the Vintage Cosmetic Co, and I'm going to be linking them down below, but they have a whole bunch of stocking stuffers or stocking fillers for Christmas. So if you were looking for cheap stocking fillers or gifts for Christmas for your mom, your grandma, your aunt, your cousins, this right here is a makeup headband and it's super affordable. I have another one too that's like pinkish and it's like bunny ears. So yeah, I'll link everything down below so you guys can take a look, and yeah, go check them out. So I wanted to start off with my eyebrows today. I'm going to be using the Shop Amor brow gel, and this is kind of like the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. Now that the eyebrows are done, I'm gonna go in with my primer, and today I'm using the Cover FX blurring primer. Okay, for foundation today, I'm going to be using my Milani Perfect and Conceal. I just feel like I haven't used this foundation in the longest time. I even forgot about it actually. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand and just dot it on the face. So I'm going to be using my Michael Todd Sonic Blend brush, and I don't know if I've used this on my channel. I'm going to be using this to blend my foundation. That brush blends out the foundation very good. I will link down the brush as well so you guys can check it out because it's a really good brush. For the concealer, I'm going to be using my Vibrancy concealer. I'm just going to be applying that on the eyes and wherever I want to highlight. And I'm going to be taking this contour brush by Whoosh. I'm going to be just blending that into the skin. To contour, I'm going to be using my contour and highlight palette, Profusion, and I like to mix these two colors right here. Just feel like it gives the perfect shade for me. So I'm going to contour my cheeks, my nose, under my chin, and my forehead. Powder, I'm going to be using the No Filter by ColourPop. So today's eyeshadow palette is the Nightingale by Pretty Vulgar, and it's a beautiful cool toned palette. I just love it. So I'm going to be taking this color right here, which is Flip Out. I'm going to take my tapered blending brush by Jessup Beauty, and I'm going to start darkening the outer corner. So I'm just going to start patting that in and then bringing it to the crease. Switch to the small tapered blending brush, and I'm going to start blending that, bringing that a little towards the inner corner. Then I'm going to be taking this Luxie 121 brush. I'm just going to be blending that I want it super blended, so I'm going to be taking my time and blending this. I'm then going to be taking this color right here, which is called After Midnight, and it's a dark charcoal gray color. And I'm going to be applying that on the outer corner just to deepen that color a little bit more. I'm going to be taking that brown again and just going above that color, like in the crease area, mainly towards the end, and just blending that out a little more. With a clean brush, I'm going to blend the top of that just a little bit because I want it to be well blended. I'll be taking this color Pillow Fight, taking my Vintage Cosmetic Company brush, and I'm going to be taking that color and applying that on the lid, on the beginning half basically. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just blend that out a little so it doesn't look too harsh. Add a pigment to the beginning half of the eye. The Color Tattoo Pure Pigments, and this is Barely Brazen. Oh my goodness, I remember I used to use these all the time back in the days when I used to do my makeup all the time. So I'm going to spray my brush with the Cover FX setting spray, and I'm going to dip my brush into the pigment, apply that on the beginning of the eye, and that's just going to give it a nice sparkle. We already had sparkle, but this is just going to give it a little bit more of a sparkle. You just want to tap it into the eye. So I'm just going to go back in with the gray color just in case I lost any color, and just blend that out, like mix it in the middle of the two colors and blend out the outer corner again. I'm actually going to add a little bit of my ColourPop No Filter pressed powder and apply that underneath the eye for that extra coverage, and you're also pressing it into your skin so your concealer will last longer. I go in with the brown color. I'm going to be applying that on the bottom of the eye. I'm going to be applying this color as close to the lash line as possible. And I'm going to be taking a small angled brush and this color right here, which is Hide and Seek, which is a like light beige color, and I'm going to blend that out. I wanted to smoky it out as much as I can. I'm going to do a wing today. I'm going to be using the Babe Lash Enhancing Liquid Eyeliner, and they sent me a couple of products that I've been using. I'm going to probably do a video on that soon, and the packaging is just so beautiful. I love the royal blue, and it's a felt tip eyeliner. Oh, that glides on so smooth. So now that the wing is done, I'm so sorry, but I try to use other highlighters, but I just keep going back to her. So I'm using the Rodeo Drive by Ofra Cosmetics, and she's just my favorite highlighter. Sorry. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Rodeo Drive, apply that on the brow bone. She's just a beauty. I like the inner corner of the eyes as well. Now we're gonna go in with the It Cosmetics mascara on the top and bottom of the lashes. And I'm going to be using the Essence black eyeliner on the waterline. I'm going to apply lashes, and today's lashes are the Stephanie lashes. We're going all out. These lashes are super glam. Look how like glam they are. They are super full. While we wait for the lashes to dry, I'm going to go in with this Midnight Masquerade palette, but I'm only going to be using the bronzer, which is this color right here, Enchantment. I think this is more of a blush, but I use it as a bronzer. So I'm going to be taking that with a Jessup Beauty powder blush. I'm just going to bronze up the cheek a little bit. And you want to be very light-handed with this bronzer or blush because it is super pigmented. For blush, I'm going to be using this Ashley Cosmetics blusher. It looks like this. I'm going to be using this shade, which is like a mauve color. So I'm going to apply that on the apples of my cheeks and bring it towards the bronzer a little bit. If these lashes are dry, I think they are, so I'm going to apply these lashes. So now that the lashes are in, we're almost done. Aren't these lashes just beautiful? It just makes the whole look even more glam. For highlight, I'm going to be taking this Ashley Lee Cosmetics highlight stick. And I'm going to just highlight the parts that I want to with this first. And then I'm going to go in with my Rodeo Drive. I just wanted to be extra because this is a extra glam look. So an extra highlight won't hurt. And I'm gonna go in with the tapered blend highlighter brush by Jessup Beauty and just go over what I already highlighted. We're being extra today. For the lips, I'm going to go in with Verona, and this is by Ofra Cosmetics, and it's a beautiful like brownish nudish color. Isn't she a beauty? I just love this lipstick. So then I'm going to top that off with Fenty Beauty's Diamond Milk Gloss Bomb, and I've been loving her lately. And guess what? There's a new one coming out on December 7th, which is in 3 days, and her name is Fussy. And this one just gives, just love the way they smell. This one just gives it that beautiful, glittery, winter wonderland type of, you know, shebang. Yeah, that's basically it. Now I'm going to take my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray, which I never set my face on camera and I hate it. So today I'm going to be setting my face and I'm going to be spraying that all over the face. Okay, so this is the finished look. This is my glam, extra glam look when I want to go out or for the holidays, for New Year's, whenever you guys want to wear it. If you like this look, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for following me. I'll see you next time.